In this video, guys, we're going to look at, can I make an extra income trading part-time? A very common question from traders. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. All right, so can I make an additional extra income trading part-time? Is something many traders ask. You're running a business, you have a job, you have other commitments, and you're saying, hey, I want to trade and I want to kind of make a little bit extra every month, just kind of top up my income. I want to maybe build a little bit more capital, whatever it is. Now, let me just kind of keep it real with you in terms of your expectations. As I always try to do, guys, it's a very challenging journey trading. I've been fortunate enough that the market's been very kind to me over the years. I've enjoyed my journey, but it's not an easy journey. So what I'm going to say to you is, I'm going to talk through some of the ways that you can do this, but I'm going to measure it by saying it's challenging. And if you expect to go straight into trading and to be making a little bit extra money a month, or to be starting to make money in the market and boosting your trading account from day one, you're probably going to be unpleasantly surprised. You're probably not going to be happy with your results. However, if you go through that learning curve and then you get past it, then yes, it's very possible to kind of grow your account slowly, whether that's an additional bit of money each month that you withdraw, or whether it's increasing your trading account, then yes, I'm going to show you some ways to do it now. So the short answer to this is yes. And in fact, most guys are part-time traders who are operating a business, who are acting as a consultant, who are kind of a normal job day to day, and their hours are maybe different, allows them to trade. Some are swing traders, some are day traders. We'll talk about that in a moment. But that kind of is the majority, and there's also a big chunk of full-time traders in there as well. So the answer is yes, you can, but just make sure that your expectations are a little bit measured. You don't go from day one and start making an extra couple of grand a month to put in your paycheck, consider as a paycheck. It's not going to happen. However, put the effort in, go through the learning curve, get your edge dialed in, get your discipline dialed in. Then you might start to find you can make a little bit extra per month, a little bit extra every quarter, or building up kind of an account balance. All right, so what are your options? Now, my favorite would be this, swing trading, and I've got a soft spot for stocks at the moment purely because they're quite active. There's lots going on. There's loads of new stocks coming, loads of tech stocks moving. But ask me again in a year, who knows, stuff will change. I kind of rotate around, traded in crude oil very aggressively for kind of many years. I traded futures on DAX and Dow for many years. So I just go where the volatility is, because my edge is supply demand. My edge is price action. So at the moment, that's working quite well, with an occasional kind of aggressive day trading when we have a specific setup that I quite like, where there's specific action, etc. But let's go back to the point. If you're a part-time trader, swing trading stocks or FX is a great place to start, because what you can do is you can say, right, I'm going to do my screening in the evening, potentially, when you come back. Depends what time zones you're in, times of your trading. Don't forget, if you're in Europe, guys, US session runs till 9 o'clock UK time. So you've got time, probably, to come back, do your screening and place your orders in as you need. You can put pending orders in, you can do this, you can do that. So the beauty of having trade that operates in Asia and in Europe and the US means that any time of day there's always something going on. That's the beauty of FX as well. FX trades 24/5. Stocks will close and reopen the next day when the exchange opens, so you've got to be aware of that. FX trades all throughout the evening. So if I was a part-time trader, I would focus on maybe screening for some stocks that I quite liked, putting some orders in, and then seeing how they went over a few days. Screening for some currency pairs, patterns that I quite liked, and then placing those orders and then seeing how they went over a few days. The main thing you've got to do, guys, is not to meddle with your trades. If you're a part-time trader, you're a swing trader, don't keep checking on the phone. Don't snatch at the first profit you get. This is another topic altogether, and I'm kind of digressing a bit here, but I can't help it because it's important. Sticking to the strategy, running the trades. But that would be a good place to start. If you're part-time, you've got some time to spend in the market. It means you're not glued in front of the screens. It's not really time sensitive. You have to allocate time in your week from a productivity perspective to do your research, your analysis, and place your trades. However, you don't have to be there at a set time each day, and it's not dependent on your performance each day. Now, that being said, day trade at specific times is a good option for people who like scalping. You like scalping, you like day trading. I think of a handful like this. They've got their own job, their own business, and certain times they come in, they're aggressively scalping. Most of the time it's going to be a specific time of day that's volatile, should I say. So DAX open, a great trading vehicle. DAX opens at 8 o'clock UK time for the cash session, and trading it for an hour, scalping actively, seeing what you make out of the market, putting it into your account, moving on to the next day, moving on to the next day, moving on to the next day. So this is trading on a very specific time of day. Could be at the final hour of the day, could be at the beginning hour of the day. The issue is that you're saying my alarm's set, I'm going to come in and trade it. Now that's fine. I prefer the swing trading thing, but day trading's fine if you have a real preference for that, if you like that. But again, very simple. You structure it. You say, hey, I'm going to be there at this time of day. I'm going to trade in this active period, and I'm done. I'm going to do my job, whatever. So both things are possible, but again, going back to the initial point, just measure your expectations a bit. I don't want to put a dampener on things, guys, but we're just kind of being realistic here. If you're coming straight into it and expecting to kind of boost your income straight away, it's unlikely to happen. It's not impossible, but it's unlikely. However, if you work at it, the discipline, your focus, your strategies, you get those dialed in, you keep your position size low, you don't blow out your account, you don't make any of those classic mistakes that many new traders do, then yeah, very, very possible to do this. All right, guys, take care. See you next one. Bye-bye.